Mathomo maya matanyitwo kwamukirwo ni maabitha othe ruhonge-ini rwa ugitiri na matanya ni gutigirira maabitha a borithi mari na ugima mwega wa meciria riria marakinyaniria mihang'o ya wira kuri muingi. Makiaria hindi ya gukinyaniria mathomo macio kuri maabitha makiria ma 300, muteithiriria wa munene wa borithi Harun Thiga augite thina wa meciria ruhonge-ini ruru ukoretwo ugicungiririo ni wira uria maabitha aya makinyanagiria na kaingi matiamukagira motaro kumana na unyihu wa sesheni iria ikinyanagiria mihang'o iyo.
Askari ni wanadamu, wanapitia mambo mengi, mambo masito ya kimaisha, lakini maombi yetu na kila wakati tunapowaambia kwamba wasinyamaze na chochote kile inawasumbua.
Chaplaincy are distributed across the country, and therefore we are sure when we bring or when we grow them here, they will disseminate the information that they will get from here across the country.
Ona kuri uguo Thiga ugite thirikari ni rakinyaniria mibango ya kunyitirira maabitha aya agikinyiriria ati acio mamukirite mathomo ni mekuhuthika guthomithia arunao kuria ningi amahinyiriirie kwaga gwetigira na gwetikira kumatha uteithio riria maraufatara.
Accidents that happen across the road, and even those who are working in the hostile areas, those officers need to be talked to and also to be brought back again to their senses so that they can understand that whatever they have undergone is normal, or they were just an instant of just that time, not.
Mihang'o ino ikinyanirio mwena wa Limuru kaunti-ini ya Kiambu ritana oho rigikio kuri muingi na kurio kuyukia maabitha a borithi na kumanyitagirira riria marenda uteithio.
Mimi niseme yangu yakaseme yake, wao pia waweza kujua kwamba si mimi tu ninapitia haya, bali anapitia sehemu ya kukubali.
Those commanders are trained for leadership, and therefore they have the skills to help them solve some of the issues that are disturbing them.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV, Getwo Wambui wa Njuguna.